Amber in the kitchen here. I'm going to show you guys how to make a really basic, simple whipped cream recipe. I'm going to be using this particular one to top my butter cake recipe that I just made. So you can see it there on the counter. If you want to see how to make that one, go check out that video. I'll link it to this one, so it'll be easy. But all we need is 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Shake it up a little bit before we open it. Okay. When you measure, it's best to keep it level with your eye. So either bring your measuring cup up to your eye or go down to it if you need exact measurements. You can always eyeball it a little bit too, if it's not like dire that it be exact liquid measurement. Whipped cream is kind of one of those things where it's not dire, but that's okay. So there's our 1 cup of whipping cream. We've got 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I will link the recipe to this in the description for you guys. And a little splash more. Sorry about the noise in the background. That's my toddler having fun. Okay, I'm gonna put my KitchenAid bowl in and readjust my camera for you guys so you can see inside the bowl. He is just having a blast. Okay, let's see. Move this a little bit forward, and then you guys will be able to see the action in there. Okay, put our whisk attachment, pull it up, and then you just whisk. Helps if you plug in your KitchenAid. Ooh, okay. This one. Sorry, guys. All right, here we go. Okay, so with whipped cream, you want to make sure that you are whipping but watching, because it goes from cream to whipped cream pretty fast. And then if it goes too far, you'll get butter. I have done this before. I'm speaking from personal experience here. But here's our cream. It should take just a few minutes. It's a really simple way to do it, and it's nice. I think it tastes a lot better than like a Ready Whip or Cool Whip, something like that you would buy from the store. And it doesn't take that long to make, so it's pretty simple. Now, if you're going to travel with your whipped cream, Ready Whip and Cool Whip are awesome alternatives. So, well, you can see it thickening already. You can see kind of how the ribbon of it, like it takes a while for it to come back down to like look like a flat surface. So this is like a soft whip right now. Here, let me show you guys. So this is what I mean when I say soft whip, like really loose, soft. So if you pull it off, it doesn't stand up at all. It just, I don't know if you can see it. It doesn't stand up, it just flops right over. So this is like a super soft whip. We want to go for more of a medium to stiff peak. So we're gonna go a little more here. Get this back up to speed. Okay, you can tell that is a huge difference already. And this is why I said you have to watch your whipped cream. Because now, in just a few seconds, this is actually clinging more to my whip and it's not falling through as easily. So that's more of like a true soft peak. A little bit more. Okay, I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so that is a pretty firm, stiff peak already. All right, like I wouldn't want to whip this too much longer because it'll start to turn to butter. But that's how fast it changes, guys. So I wanted to show you that. If you're interested in trying to make your own home whipped cream, make sure you're standing next to your mixer, and you can always finish it off by hand. Just grab onto your whisk attachment and stir it up. Okay, and that's a nice way to really get that bottom of the bowl as well. Okay, see, that is done. I'm not gonna whip that anymore because I don't want butter. I don't want sweet cream butter, like super sweet vanilla butter. That would be delicious probably to put onto a muffin in the morning or something, but that's not what I'm going for. All right, have a great day, you guys. Hopefully this helped and you learned something. If you liked it, please feel free to comment and subscribe, and even give us a share if you like. All right, have a wonderful day.